Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must confirm you legally own the device. Once done, protect your data. Start a full backup to cloud or a computer so you can restore later. Make sure you know the exact device model, OS version, and which AppLock app is installed. This determines official recovery paths. Next, gather account credentials for the device vendor and any linked email accounts, because those will be used in supported reset or recovery flows rather than guessing or bypassing passwords. Follow the official recovery options provided by the app or device maker. Use the app's forgot password flow or the device vendor account recovery. These methods verify ownership and restore access without circumventing security. If those fail and you have backups, a factory reset via system settings or recovery menu will remove app locks but delete data, so only choose it after confirming your backups. If you're unsure which flow applies, contact the vendor support team. After recovery or reset, restore your backed up data and reinstall apps from official stores to avoid reintroducing unwanted locks. Make sure to set robust recovery options. Add a verified email, enable two-factor authentication, and record recovery codes. If the app lock persists or the device remains inaccessible, stop trying unofficial tricks. Contact official support or visit an authorized service center with proof of ownership. That route resolves edge cases safely and protects both your device and personal data from accidental loss or misuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.